चार सीज ऑफ डायमंड क्या होता है?
IF है जो ज़्यादा एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता. इट्स ओनली लाइक इन थियोरी. इट्स इंटरनली flawless, so a flawless diamond.
Some people prefer yellow color diamonds as well, depending on their
They
need.
do, not in India though.
Is yellow diamond more expensive or the white plain?
So the American company that started to sell these lab-grown diamonds is now bankrupt. Natural diamonds, all it is.
Because it's the cheapest right now.
Because yeah, it's really cheap right now, and the price is definitely going to increase.
जो नॉर्थ ब्राइड्स है वो इतने हाई गोल्ड प्राइसेस में ज्वेलरी बाइंग कैसे कर रहे हैं?
We believe that within 8 to 9 months, the price of diamonds, solitaires, and pointers, it's definitely going to increase because the exports are going to come back to the normal level.
What is the biggest diamond you have seen? How many carats? Welcome back, everyone. We are yet again with a latest new industry expert with us, Vasundhara from Tarun JT TJL from Panipat. How are you doing, Vasundhara?
I'm good, thank you
How's
very
Delhi
much.
been?
Delhi's good.
How's the so? Do you like the diamonds around here?
I do like a few pieces here, yes.
Do you feel the jewelers would be getting some FOMO after looking at your pearls with your diamonds on your ears?
Well, I bet.
So let's start. Let's give consumers what they want first. Can you explain our consumers कि चार C's of diamond क्या होते हैं?
Okay, the 4 C's are cut, clarity, color, and carat.
Can you give a bit of explanation of each one for them?
Yeah, so the cut is different shapes of diamond, the way the diamond has been cut. And clarity
Which
is,
means diamond shaped,
yeah,
like
diamond shaped,
heart shaped
heart
diamonds,
shaped,
round.
oval shaped,
Okay.
pear shaped, like that.
Okay.
Right, and then there is clarity. So clarity starts from IF. Then there is VVS1, VVS2, VS1, VS2. IF rarely exists because
IF is the best.
it's the best.
And what is the lowest?
The lowest is like, well, we only deal with SI2 colors, but that's not the lowest. The lowest goes down to I3. That's the lowest.
तो वो high और low में क्या फर्क होता है?
So जो IF है जो ज़्यादा exist नहीं करता, it's only like in theory. It's internally flawless. So a flawless diamond. You know the shape of the diamond that you know. You know the
Diamond shape.
yeah, the diamond shape, of course. The round. It's called the round cut.
Okay.
That is supposed to be, if that is internally flawless with no like impurities within,
Yeah.
that's called an internally flawless or IF diamond.
Okay.
VVS1 would have very little impurities. VVS2 a little more.
Like negligible to human eye.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
And SI1 would look a little bit
Inclusions or कुछ.
yeah, there'll be
like-
inclusions in it. It will look a little darker than VVS1.
Okay.
So, and then there is color. Color starts from, there are brackets, so it starts from DEF. You know, that's the best color.
So color starts from D.
Yeah,
And
starts from
what
D.
is you would say on the other side of the scale?
Z.
Okay. Z is that does that mean it's a bad color?
It's just, well, then you call it a yellow diamond. You
Okay.
know, the color
So it's
turns.
not
yeah.
a bad colored diamond, but a yellowed colored diamond. And
Yeah.
some people prefer yellow colored diamonds as well, depending on their
They
need.
do, not in India though.
Okay.
Yeah, it's mostly abroad. They
Is
prefer
yellow
that.
diamond more expensive or the white plain?
The
clean
white diamond, of course.
Okay.
The better the color, the better the clarity, more expensive the
So are we
diamond.
done with the all four?
Then there's carat.
Yeah, sorry.
Carat is the size of the diamond.
Okay.
So
Where does it start from?
it starts from 1. If a diamond is below 1 carat, then we use the units pointer.
Okay. And what is the biggest diamond you have seen? How many carats?
10 carats.
That's amazing. Lab grown diamond solitaire valuable comparative to the natural solitaire? And how's that?
Well, absolutely not. Something that's natural is definitely going to be more expensive, right? Lab-grown diamonds, when they came in the market, it was worth 1 carat was worth 5,000 rupees, and now 1 carat of lab-grown diamond is worth less than 1,000
So
rupees.
that's less than one fourth, less than one fourth of the price.
Yeah, that's right.
And can you buy back lab grown diamonds?
So the American company that started to sell these lab-grown diamonds is now bankrupt.
So the biggest corporate which is supposed to buy lab-grown diamonds don't have money to buy their lab-grown diamonds
They
back again.
don't. Exactly.
Okay. Diamond buying in northern consumers, क्या वो लैब ग्रोन की तरफ है, क्या वो नेचुरल की तरफ है? इस आर पीपल आस्किंग यू अबाउट लैब ग्रोन डायमंड्स इन नॉर्थ इंडिया?
So personally, we've had a very mixed reaction. जब lab grown diamond आया था, then people were rushing after buying lab grown diamonds. They thought that natural diamonds are out of the market now.
Okay.
But ever since the price started falling, people have come back to natural diamonds. So if you see actors like Ekta Kapoor, you'll see her wearing solitaires and they're not going to be lab grown.
Yeah.
You'll see any actor wearing any solitaire, it's not going to be lab grown, it's going to be a natural diamond.
Okay.
Because like I said, it's worth more. And जब lab grown आया था, तो the price of natural diamonds, it obviously decreased. But now that the lab grown diamonds the price has fallen down, अब जो natural diamond है उसका price बढ़ेगा. And I think that this is the best time to buy solitaires, natural diamond solitaires.
Because it's the cheapest right now.
Because yeah, it's really cheap right now, and the price is definitely going to increase.
Perfect. So that was an amazing insight for the diamond industry. Now, how let's go towards towards the consumers as well. डायमंड प्राइस गिर रहे हैं, सोना चांद पे पहुंच गया है, तो अभी
सब
लोग
उल्टा हो गया है.
जो नॉर्थ ब्राइड्स है वो इतने हाई गोल्ड प्राइसेस में ज्वेलरी बाइंग कैसे कर रही है? आर दे बाइंग मोर गोल्ड, आर दे बाइंग मोर डायमंड, कैसा हो रहा है?
So the jewelry brides, well, when we earlier we used to have customers, bridal customers, they would prefer to buy polki or diamond, but now they've all switched to gold because the prices have increased, right? Because they think that it's a better investment. और जो लोग लाइक मिडिल क्लास के जो लोग आते थे हमसे ज्वेलरी लेने, वो गोल्ड के सेट्स ही लेते थे, पर अब वो चाहते हैं वही ज्वेलरी मिले बट लेस, कम वेट में.
But with more diamonds and gems.
More gems.
More gems.
More gems, yeah.
One thing which I also wanted to know is that is there any pricing potential for diamonds left?
We believe that within 8 to 9 months, the price of diamonds, solitaires and pointers, it's definitely going to increase because the exports are going to come back to the normal level. अभी exports कम हो गए हैं, but within 8 to 9 months बढ़ जाएंगे.
Yeah, because of the US tariffs and China especially being one of the highest consumer.
Yeah.
उस चक्कर में ना diamonds की export जो India is all the diamonds in the world 90% is done from India, and since that is down, so the exports are down. But since once the global uncertainties gets better, I think the diamond pricing will get a bit. I agree with that.
Absolutely.
So with this amazing conversation with my friend from Toronto and best friend of Solitaire, we end this conversation. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
lovely insight about diamonds, lovely insight about northern consumers.
Thank
That
you
was
for
lovely
having me.
speaking to you.